Let me tell you why rather that it's she, you know. Because she like by the killing argument, then. That's what she did do to me. She like by your killing argument. That's how she
But
is.
hold on. You know what I don't like when y'all do? I don't like when y'all talk about people that are not our peers. Why you even talking about her?
Ooh.
Rather that.
Yeah, like why you even going there? I don't like it when y'all like people that are not our peers.
Shake,
Like, why y'all
She not need for that right there. So what we are talking about, girl, Onela.
Yeah, you're not understanding Onela.
Onela, wait. Onela, wait. No girl no need for present here, so because when I say we not use no girl strength, I don't need no girl strength.
No, she
girl
said when she said
strength.
that, when she said talk about people that's not our peers, she mean like we're not doing the same thing. We're not in the same league. You get me? Yeah. So she mean like mentioning that person is irrelevant.
No, Raja, I think she said well we are talking about Radha and she's not here.
Oh, not our peer, meaning she's not relevant.
Levels. Oh, yeah.
Basically.
I'm going to be more specific, man.
No, I don't choose to talk in
the accent. Oh, Onela said that's why I never understand the accent of the peer. Remember say Onela cuss uptown.
Yeah,
dress uptown. Do everything uptown. So Onela for Mackerel.
You never mute them. Come on.
Right now, I'm a look at dupes doing now. My baby doing now. I'm a look at dupes.
She mix up and she fake, Raja. She fake as fuck. She mix up and she fake.
Me I talk to her because I'm a dupe.
Because problem between young people and
this she love you more, mama.
Me never there for talky girl business. I'm gonna show you something. When a girl and a Mackerel, Wednesday open, Mackerel. You never have to talk your girl business. BS, nurse, whatever you want. Let me tell you something. When a girl come talk about my child, I go L, I go cremation, I go casket, I go funeral for my child. I eat till I poison.
But Raja,
if
push come to shove, Shay's gonna have your back. I don't know about her.
Fuck your business. Fuck your blood clot business. Me should talk the girl business, but the girl fi come talk say my blood clot pitney special need. Careful go suck out her mother. Careful go suck out the boy we don't want her. Careful go suck the 6 marriage them where she blood clot do, and none of them no last. Only worry about girl business, but you know about what girl do. K life and happy, K sad. I can bring down any sad bitch girl, I'm 8K. I'm going to mind tomorrow K blood clot going on one accident and crash and paralyzed. And that must say. Yeah? I'm not gonna do that. My opinion is my pride and joy, not KO now. When Kennedy come here, come talk about, oh, don't talk about nobody come here in special needs. Fuck KO now. Fuck she. Paralyzed one on a bitch paralyzed like no, I saw my blood clot for you know. Me not care what I reach you know. Me thank God the blood clot my left KO and get a breakthrough in life. What uno I got do about it? What uno I got do about it? None of them can beat me, none of them can drop me, none of them can box me. That's the thing. None of uno can color me up. None of show me which one can color me up, no girl. Color me up. You know, get them go stop my mother when I want. Color me up. Don't wish bad. Don't wish bad on anyone. But when girl talk about me, when I'm supposed to sit down and take it, much bad for any girl will talk about my blood clot pit will come from underneath my pussy. Every girl will suck out your mother. You more we dead. You more we blood clot. Make your name a blood clot after break go suck her. Me sir, yes, me the track record for the girl. Use me the track record. Me can't stand coming to make no it song for no blood clot body. None of them can color me up. None of can type. Look at this. Color me up no. Color. Do this. Which one of them? None of them can do this. Do this. None of them can do this. And that's the point. You see, until when I'm punching on my face. Which one of them can punch my face? Which one of them can color me up? Which one of them can blood clot punch me? Now, if one of them go near my KO and mama. And Caan father will fuck her. Caan father fuck her. That's you call me up now. Until wake last time I hear her over there. And knock your girl. And you fat, you take your blood clot pitney. For your blind mama get your Caan your father fuck you. I don't want to argue the girl on the internet. I don't want to strength to the girl for the girl on the internet. And your father beat your blood clot push your forefinger and you stinking girl. I don't want to strength for every girl. I want to live for Rochelle. And Jamila want to eat Jenna. And you want to tell me so I take my baby from my blind mother and give to my blind father and your father busy and fuck you. Girl, me no want to back it in. I sing my own a soprano and alto melody. Me do that. Me am my own a cheerleader. Yeah, Mackerel. Yeah, me am my own a cheerleader. Me no want none upon that shit for me. No come stop because Caan father fuck her. And she have every strength for it. What do you mean she hear Roger gas? Me hear she give Roger one suck your mother. And Roger never defend it when in there England. Caan move your dirty your father feed up and fuck you know blood clot. What about your trauma now? What about your girl on the internet? No! Now rest you. Yeah, your blood clot. Now rest you. I know I come on the internet compare. I know I come on the internet compare sympathy. I know I come on the internet compare simple blood clot. See.
I'm going to favor to Jaden and Black man.
Eh?
Where do Ella?
I'm going to
Jaden and Black Ella.
Me
Man, you suck your mother.
That's nothing to joke about. Foreign
Jimmy,
here
where
when she
Black
tell me
Ella
say so good.
Me suck my
That's
mama.
something to joke
You have to
about.
watch blood
When
clot.
she
You have
tell
to
me
watch.
say me so good, that's something to joke about.
That's
When
not
Janko
right.
come and
That's
accuse
not
teacher
right.
of dirty
Talk about my
deeds,
child
people going to
special
tell them
needs.
anything. Sunshine, move
That's
your
not
dirty blood clot and go
right.
suck your mama allow Mackerel. Go suck
Over
your mother
phone,
sunshine, your
Take care
sound,
of
mama
my
sound.
come in a
father.
church.
Make it talk to baby.
Girl, I can't argue with me. Come father for you hospital and me put him up there. Me put him up at you hospital and pay for every medical resources. Me did that. When my father up a blood clot you for 1 month, my father never fuck me yet. My father never fuck me yet. My father never feel me up yet. So when she come talk about me twist up your eye, I mean, when she come talk last night about my twist up your eye and knock your eye, girl, I'm ugly and blah 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 blah. Never she tell me say my blood clot. Never remember all of them something. Say nothing wrong with this. I tell her say her father fuck her now. Her father fuck her. Her father fuck her. Don't trouble the girl on the internet because you go through your own trauma on the internet. Your father fucked you. When you go tell me about I take my baby from a blind year mother and give to my blind year father, your father fucked you. No, can't beat me. No. I'm a done blood clot, sir. I take my baby from a blind year mother and give to my blind year father. And my blind year father never fucks me. Him should have been the one for feel me up. And I search, and him never fuck me. The blood clot in me, man. My father never fuck me. Caan if you go fix her life before she about every girl on the internet. Daddy, why you do that? Jesus Christ. Me a black you, you know, me a black you, Yeah, it time when they upon Rochelle, they upon Shane, they upon Mackerel, they upon Varney, and they upon every girl upon it. I in everybody business. Remember you have your own trauma I got through. And the time when you worry about me take my baby from my blind mother and get to my blind father. Whenever you got question your father, fuck you. Your father get pleasure out of your stinking girl. Hey, chama, you hear KO now? I eat KO now. And when she come talk about, and when Jamila sit up on WhatsApp talk about me, yeah, Jenna. And I eat me because of Roger. And I eat me because I'm loyal to Roger. And that's why I eat me. And I go bomba clad. Tell it for Roger. And that's why I eat me. Go and remember your father will fuck you. I'm a done tag. But it might sound away. It might sound, but it's the raw truth. Uno father fuck uno and she run off a Belgium and my hear him knock up and according to Uno Roger Batman, what your trauma hotter than everybody else. Your trauma hotter than everybody else. You're traumatic than ever blood clot body is, y'all. I'm yes, yo.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right,
run
John.
off of Belgium if I pity them.
Yeah,
I
Mackerel,
need to take
take
my
your
pity from
turn.
my
Deal with it.
blind
Angle
mother.
that
I need to my
cute.
blind
Girl, I
father.
forgot them
And
house
Roger
and
this
ball
and Roger
tonight.
that.
Cute,
And the ear Roger and the ear
cute.
Jenna.
Me
And the
like
reach
this.
for
Me a
Russian
cheer
and
for
your father
this.
fuck you.
Right, so me a cheer for that.
Fuck
Class
you.
in session chat. Sit down,
Yeah.
relax and watch
And I
what
just the
one.
truth.
Me take my
Stop
turn.
blood
Roger take
clot
him
lip pan
turn.
girl.
Mac
Stop
boss
the
it.
lip pan
I'ma love
girl.
it. Kayo na
And the
go and go
business
cry.
a
No cry to
spoil.
me.
Only
Me
see my
legally
father
married, so
hate
you
you
are my
know. And the
husband.
blood
Me
clot
tired for
marriage
crying.
them
Me have to
fear.
ask God
Stop hate pan girl, Keona.
why.
Stop hate pan girl. Stop hate pan blood clot girl.
Come in. Me have the best month of the year going at January 2026. I pray that next year I flourish. I pray that every mouth that rise against me, I want to see me fail. You cancel it, Almighty God. You burn it up in a fire. Because the higher heights where I want to go with you, Almighty God. Only you know, Almighty God. Me say me sorry, say me sing some of the time. But you know, say me love you, Jesus. You know, say you're my king. You know, say you're my done. And I put nothing and no one above you. So I know I'm protected. No oil, no powder, no mouth, no sin, no death, no accident, no sickness, no broken heart, no lingering spirit, no controlling spirit not upon me. Cancel all of them off for me. Everybody will rise up and team up against me, Father God. Whatever shot them I send, I pray you send back the shot there to each and every one of them. Amen. I don't play about me. I don't play about me.
Where the pump on you?
You're
You
brighty.
crazy?
You're brighty.
You crazy if you play boy you when you have two people where you depend on you when that. You're
You're
all I
brighty.
mean, especially
I'm telling
car
you this.
power.
You know, make no girl let out nothing in a universe by your name. You have to mash up a universe.
That's true.
You know, make nobody put out nothing upon you in the universe, yeah. Because remember, say devil a walk on earth like humans. Remember, the devil is loose. And him a walk against stuff of them. And him living in them heart and living in them soul. That's why them try to tear down a girl like me were full of love. Why me getting the whole of them against me? Because when you hear Satan come cover and whisper to me and say, when me done with you, you're not going to have no love in you. And me say, hey boy, I lie tell. Because God is love. If me not have love, me can't love myself. I love my pitney them. And you see from the morning, me say that when me a drive cover, I be an attack from everywhere. Because remember, me know say me can't give up on love. And it alone me have. Kavi, me da go give up on love. Me da give up on love from when my father try molest me, girl. I'ma never give up on love. Me still get up. Me still rise up. Me still forgive him. And me I live up to today. What me do, me learn. Me protect my pitney them from molestation, from man, from demonic spirit. Me do everything for them. Me could have tell Paris to stay in our house and me send money for Thanksgiving. Me come see her. Hey, me a one real survivor. Me have a real testimony. There is nothing a man can say to me. You might bend me in a coffee, but you will never break me. When you see me come over here, I'm a fool. Me just bend, I'm a fool. Because me only human, but me not break. They can never break me. I'm too
People,
strong for this.
The people them literally want to break and crumble in front of them eyes, bro. For what I don't know, cause me I never do them nothing, bro. It's so sad. We have Pitney found wish the worst pound. It's so sad.
You know much
It's
girl
so
can
sad.
come back from molestation? I came back from that, Kavi. I came back from that. I was a child. I had no control. And then from them time, the from 10 cussed me and tell me that I shouldn't even talk to him. Because that was hidden way below the belt.
Low blow.
Yeah, my cousin
It's just so, bro, it's just so sad. These people
So
always
when
trust
Mackerel
and
come play all of them voice note, the way him send me,
so
and him look
sad,
bad.
bro.
Everybody are going to look on him like a drunk crow. But because me have a forgiving heart, and because me say, you know what, this for this, but no more. Me not have no tears to cry no more. No time. You can't make them draw you out of, hey girl, mind what you do, man. Because me use God and fight my battle.
It's so sad to see a man all do the, I hit them the low blow there. I spray no him to the you can't ever talk, guys. Come feel that way, bro. Cause I wanna know my idea I have today. It just show you say the man jealous and intimidated by you. If you go for something with happening in a person past, that's so low. If tear them down, it just show you, okay.
Ravi, when him send me that voice note there, I send it to Phil with big man. You know who me attack? You know who me attack? Phil with big man friend. Benz.
Man, me a come on.
I feel with big man friend Kave curse and say you don't do that. You don't do that to somebody where you say you love. You know how long him take to come back from that? You know how long me take to chat back to him? You make your own friend them a set you up. You're blind, but call on the mind telling us me you know I done.
Oh, well, if the man them stays okay. I the whole the man them stays, especially when you don't have a backbone. Especially
just not talk the topic about molestation, cause me recover from it and I know a whole heap of people can recover from it because it mess them up mentally. You understand? And I had my fair share after that shit happened.
And if a while can I look for that you're a child?
I was a child.
I'm just sorry say certain things just out there. It's just so fucking sad, bro.
But it's okay. I'm a true testimony. I can sit here right now and tell a girl who has been molested that it's gonna be okay. Just believe in yourself. Don't ever blame yourself for that shit. Don't ever blame yourself. Even if you were under the influence at the time and you said no, no is no. Don't blame yourself for that shit.
Me a come on, me a pack up anger.
You have to recover. Tell yourself, you know what? You bend, but you never break. You bend, but you never break. Look at yourself now and say, look at me now. Some of you are married. Some of you are okay. Let it go. You have to stand up and say, you know what? I am going to let you go today. Molestation, you can't ramp with me. Me, I let you go. You can't come ears and ears with me. You done did happen that day there. Move from yourself. Move from yourself. You will never live with me. You cannot live inside of me. You are the past. And I overcome you. I saw enough to deal with them stuff there. But I don't want no female to be over here crying and start remember what happened to them. That's why I don't talk about the topic. I'm not ashamed of it. I didn't do anything.
All when you don't want it is going to happen. Because in our culture, a lot of them, some of the Amna people don't talk about it. You see the people when I talk about it, them they even understand what them are deep in, because a lot of people experience it and don't even talk about it, bro. It's not something you rejoice over and try to tear down a female over, because it can happen to anybody and it's happening over and over again. And we not do nothing about it, and a lot of parents not do nothing to help the situation. It happen over, whether you don't want to agree with me, guys, it happen over and over.
A lot of people over my life, I said them are victimized and them something. I don't want to talk about it because I know
I try to say
other people. But it look like some me, I will be the truth if you talk about it. Because I try to ignore it and it come back again. Mackerel couldn't use that and flap me. Me, I tell you, I was a child, bitch. I was a child. I didn't have no control. He was supposed to be my dad. He was supposed to be a father figure. He was supposed to love me.
And at this point, I mean, at this point in our life, one of you take this as women and know, say, listen, that's why people afraid to talk about it, Kay. That's why people are dealing with this for years and not talk. Because the one moment you talk, it become something for tear down and bash you. You understand me? You understand me I say? That's why what people not talking, you know? Cause them shame. Because people are trying to belittle them and put them down. That's why a lot of people don't talk. It's such a common thing, especially in our generation and our culture. It's such a common thing.
That couldn't go on my grave with me.
It's a common thing.
Because
it's such a common thing. But yet we walk and shame people or make them feel less than. It's stuff when them are pitney, when them not have nothing to do with it. It's so sad. I let them stop the guys.
Look at me on TikTok. That's nothing to rejoice over. And I'm not ashamed of it. You know why? Because I didn't.
If you rejoice over it, you're just a pussy hole. At the end of the day. At the end of the day, if you rejoice about stuff like that, you're just a pussy hole. And it is what it is.
When nobody wants to say, so them the voice note that they shouldn't go to her. Kavina part 2, I'm glad it got to her. You know why? Because now it opened my eyes and my sister say, what the hell did I really make you say to me? And I didn't cut your shit off.
And at the end of the day, hurt people. People come and let them genuine and they don't mean you no good.
I'll be good.
Whether she or anybody, like literally them stuff that happen for true. Hurt people. When I see the people that we come for Caan, you will see say hurt people for true. And them try to find any little thing to tear them down.
Ask Mackerel how
Even though they're
infection.
they have the same issue.
Mackerel have an infection. She was molested and I never talk about it. And my sister come bust it up today. Mackerel have an infection where she live with, where every time she get pregnant, it eat away and kill the pitney them in her belly. Mackerel, you talking about me getting molested by my dad. Your baby father is 4 times your age. 4 times your age. He's a big grown man. You had a baby at 13 with a big grown man. That is molestation. I'm wondering why he's not in prison. You had your baby at 13, so you breed at 12. And a big grown man breed you. Why is he not in prison?
I'm something on the phone to laugh about and go like a joke, guys.
Me. What you mean by Lego that? Don't mama tell you about your mother about Lego that. Lego what? Why she over there talk about who molest me? When I self get molested herself and she don't know her.
You know, guys. That's why I'm telling you all the time, say we're a woman over here. We are tearing the woman. I don't know go like when a woman.
You can't you can't want pick something out of my eye when it's in a year one. Me never breed at 13. And then a grown man breed me in a me age group. Maybe 4 years older than me, but it didn't near enough. It was a grown ass man. He was a grown ass man who got you pregnant. Bitch, that is molestation too.
Your own enemy for true care vibe.
You what the comment section say? Mackerel need to relax because my mom took her off the streets in Spanish Town with the first child. Go ask the lady about that. That was molestation. I just threw Jamaica system mess up. Cause I'm sure that are prison. The hell? Anytime 13 or 14-year-old come in a hospital but them have baby, Jamaica system need to know who breed them.
Yeah, that for trigger alert. It's supposed to.
It's trigger alert. When you see 12 and 13-year-old come in a baby, you don't need to see who are them baby father. Because these men out here are raping little girls, are manipulating little girls. So the time you pick a beam out of my eye, and the daddy don't touch me there. My dear, you couldn't tell me nothing for me.
I said the same thing. You know, need for reaches, and even if you are a person friend and something like that happen to them, it shouldn't be a case where you're on internet and talk about it, bro. And as some know, say the woman them, we support them something there, and a real woman. And I say, I don't care what no one say. Because me as a big woman can never come about a girl about fuckery.
Because there's so much things to cuss me and tell me. As someone knows so them not nothing upon me. There's so much things to cuss me. That could never hurt me. I've been get over that already.
Yes, but me as a woman, okay, with them something that happen so much in our country. You understand? Me not tear down a next female. Especially when me breed young. Me not tear down a next female about that they fuckery. If prefer me not, me say me came over a bumbleclad or whatever.
If a girl can wish death for you, they will say anything. You have to remember that too.
True.
They're all crazy.
It's sad though.
Yeah, it's so sad. They're all crazy.
It's so sad.
They're all crazy.
They can't even move on from what she already moved on. What are you talking about?
That give me wonder where I move on from. Not the one of them group up on me.
I saw them steer. Yes, when you answer other people, they make it about a man situation, and I hate it. Because when you address certain things, it has nothing to do with the man.
I don't want life scar for me.
Your
You
shit.
have to rub out that scar the out of your life. Stop saying that over on yourself. That's no life scar. It happened. You try to overcome. You try to grow from it. You don't let it hold you down and talk about this scar. That couldn't scar me. I don't give a fuck about that man. Me live to see that man there beg me money.
It's scar already and you heal. That's what it
Yeah,
is.
man.
It's scar you heal. It's like putting a band-aid over our old wound. Walipa we not heal. Walipa we are go through things right now we not heal from because we can't talk about it. You understand? So if she attack, you know, have to be about a man or a girl or whoever it is. Now, una woman, me hate to see how we as woman pana up here just act like say we not have a pussy and we not have daughters and we are not woman. Me hate it. Me hate it. Me don't know when we're not gonna come to the realization say we are all women. Even though some of we look better than some, we are all women. Even though some of we have bigger career than some, we are all women. Even though some of we can hold man longer than some, we are all bumbo pussy rascal woman. We are woman, guys. Even though some of we wicked and covetous, we are woman.